Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your headphones JBL Tune 510 on your iPhone. So we have only one option how to check it. These headphones have an application, so we cannot use an application to check it, and the only way is to create a widget. You need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and add widget. Scroll down and you need to locate batteries. And here it is, click on it, and here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add Widget at the bottom. And you can check battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!